Welcome. Today we will show some troubleshooting tips in using the IoT provisioning tool. Let's clarify this. So this guide is based on the fact that your board should be working, but what if it doesn't and you don't reach through this technical journey? And as you can see here on the Access the Sandbox, from here you're already encountering issues. And here's a sample picture of an error I encountered earlier. We can see here that the IoT provisioning tool could not communicate with the board. So now, what we like to do is try to address this and some other issues as well. But it's gonna be a one-time or generic approach. Step 1. On this page, we can download the source code here. This is actually the source code, and then once you unzip that, it can be opened with MPLABX. So I've already downloaded that, and this is the .x folder for MPLABX, and open the project. Set this main project and try to build it first. While doing that, I will plug in my PIC IoT board. So MPLABX detects it. And let's see. There we go, the board is now fresh. And let me just show a quick project properties here. So this is the board. So my board is originally WG, but we've converted it to WA. This is the DFP that I'm using and compiler version. Now let us program the board. While it's doing that, this is the command prompt. It's already on my directory. Oops, output, programming complete. That's good. Let's minimize this. So now I'd like to open up or issue our command to connect it to Sandbox. And we will just follow this video here. I cannot copy paste. Alright, looks like it is going well. So let's update our text file. As you can see here, everything went well, but it's not always the case. If we try to provision it again, so maybe we need to expand this list. So there's an error here. There's also an error here. One thing we haven't done is close MPLABX. As you can see here, it is still communicating with our board. Let's close this and replug the board. For our next step, let us now try it again. This is the view of my device manager, and this should be Curiosity Virtual Comport. If not, you have to force it to use it by changing the device driver. Now, if there's an error, so as you can see here, it's still encountering an error. Maybe because we're still using AWS when it was already programmed that way. Let us try Google. Oops, that's an incorrect command. There we go, there's the error. Everything proceeded. That's good. So the board is now connected again to my laptop. Let's try it again. Now let's go back to AWS. This is not what I've imagined. We're still encountering this. Let's reboot the board first. The error still occurs, so what I want to do is open MPLABX again. And I program the board again. Let's see how it goes. Alright, so the board is now alive again. And I'm going to replug it first. And close MPLABX. My board is alive, I believe. Alright, so it failed again. Why? Let's try to force it to use my AWS. This is my exact same error previously, but here we can see that our COM port is good. So now I will try to reboot my laptop. So hang on. Alright, we just finished the reboot and let's try it again. Oh, that's good news. Now let's try to here. Open the click me and let's try to get the credentials. This is my network. Keep it. Let me just check. Alright, so oh, there we go. Alright. So the reboot should be on the upper priority. So, thank you.